Alright guys, in bed, but I forgot to make a video, so let's go. I got the occupancy sensor wire ran between the occupancy sensors in this room, all 4 of them. So got these 2 occupancy sensors installed. I installed one in the other room in the office from yesterday, and then helped run this wire over to the center of this room, which is going to get a wood ceiling, and ran all these back to the power packs, which me and my apprentice tag teamed. So we got those installed and wired up after trying to figure out how those all went. Once again, thanks to the foreman for helping me and being patient with me. And then went ahead and took out this old 277 light and then installed all these new lights down the corridor, and we'll get those wired up and all tidied up tomorrow.